Hello, I'm Chris Hanson, and this is my eye dissection practical. So right here we have the sclera. That's the fibrous white outside of the eyeball. As you can see, mine's already dissected here. Here I have the lens. The lens focuses light coming in from the cornea and the pupil. So I have the cornea right here. The cornea is a transparent cover that allows light to enter the eye, and the pupil is an opening in which the light comes into the eye. The pupil is regulated in size by the iris, which I have right here, the remnants of the iris. From the lens to the back of the eye and the retina, so the entire body of the eye inside is called the vitreous body, and the vitreous body is filled with vitreous humor, which is this. You can see more jelly-like substance connected to the lens and also the retina. There's also some thinner material, which is aqueous humor. That's clear fluid between the lens and the cornea. I also cut this cornea in half so I could see how thick it is. Usually it is not as cloudy. If I flip this over, we can see what is called the choroid layer, and that helps to absorb stray light rays. It'd be the dark area. So in here, the dark areas also in the back of this one. So this reflective colored part is called the tapetum lucidum. It's a reflective portion of the choroid layer that helps with night vision. Humans do not have this. That's why if you shine a light at, say, a dog in the night, you can see the back of their eyes. They have shiny eyes. That's what this is. Attached to the back of the eyeball is the retina. The retina is the photoreceptive layer, which sends impulses to the optic nerve. And the retina it has cells called cones and rods. The cones perceive color, and the rods perceive the difference in light intensity, which makes them good for night vision. If we turn the back of the eyeball over, you can see the fibers of the optic nerve. The optic nerve is made of nerve cells that send impulses to the brain. If we turn this back over and the retina was still attached, you would see what is called the blind spot opposite the optical nerve. It would be about here. And that is where all the nerves come together to go to the optical nerve, so it has no photoreceptors. The haloid fossa is an indentation in the center of the vitreous body that helps support the lens. It would be around here. And the last thing is the zonula ciliaris, and that is a ligament that suspends the lens and stretches it to focus the vision. So it'll be ligaments that connect and suspend the lens inside here.